Today, I'm going to share about the fear and greed, who is the enemy of any trader, and then I will explain about the discipline and the ability to learn new things, which is the friend of any successful trader. So I will describe each and everything on a detailed way. First of all, I want to share about the fear. Fear is most dangerous things in the stock market on trading profession. Just assume that you buy a stock at 100 rupees, you add your stop loss at 97 rupees, and as per your trading plan, it should you should exit from this trade at 110 rupees. So when the stock move on reverse direction and it reach on 99 rupees or 98 rupees, then generally no trader become hopeless, or because of their fear they exit from the stock. They feel that the stock will touch their stop loss and they will get the loss on this trade. So the generally because of their fear they exit from the stock. This is the biggest mistake of any trader. And the second, when stock move on your direction and it reach at 105, 106, 107, and just generally at that time stock move up and down, then because of their fear they exit before their exit plan. So this is the second fear in the market. We should avoid the fear from our profession, then only we can get the success. If we buy the stock at 100 rupees and we add the stop loss at 97 rupees, then we should wait for 97 rupees at any cost, or we should wait for the 110 rupees as per our exit plan. This is the discipline, or this is must required in the stock market to get the success, because you buy the stock at a logical point as per your strategy at 100 rupees, you add your stop loss on your logic, then what the cause of fear? You are doing each and everything as per your trading plan. So you should not afraid if the stock is moving up and down, because stock can move slightly up, slightly down, slightly up, slightly down. There should be no cause of fear. So we should avoid the fear from our trading profession. Then only we can get the success. Number second is FOMO, fear of missing out. Just assume that you want to get a stock, you want to take a stock at any specific price, but because of some issue, you was not be able to enter in the stock. Then there should be no issue of regret. There should be no FOMO, because the stock market is filled with lot of opportunity. There is no cause of regret at any point. If one opportunity missed, there is not an issue. The second opportunity is waiting for you. You have to do as per your trading plan only. Number second is greed. Just assume that you buy the stock at 100 rupees, and as per your exit plan, you can exit from the stock at 110 rupees. Then stock reach at 110 or 111, but you are not exiting from the trade, so it's greed. If the stock is moving as per your direction, and when it reach on any important location where it feel weakness, or your exit plan says that you should exit from the stock at this point, then you should exit from the stock at any cost. There should be no greed on your trading profession. At this point you have to exit, then you have to exit. There should be no if and but. Now come to the basic mantra of success. Discipline is mandatory in any profession, in stock market as well as your personal life, and other profession also, because discipline have the capability to turn your ability into achievement. at any stage. So, discipline is the mool mantra to get the success in the stock market. And the next one is the more you learn, the more you earn. Because earning is the byproduct of learning. There is a need to be a surgeon of the stock market. In the doctor in the medical profession, surgeon are the specialist of any specific area of the body. The same things is applied on the stock market also. There is no need to get the knowledge about all of everything in the stock market. You decide a specific things, and then you have to get the mastery. You have to achieve the mastery of this area only. This is the things which professional trader are doing. In the starting, I did lot of mistake. When I understand that on if I continue with the same trend, then I cannot get the success in the market. Then I move to the book, and I read so much book of professional trader. Then I find that there is no holy grail strategy at professional trader also. They have few tools, few indicator, and that they made their strategy as per their knowledge. They do backtesting as per their process, and when they feel that the strategy is good for them, then they add the strategy on their trading plan, and then they start doing trading on a disciplined way with the help of this strategy, and they try to get the maximum knowledge on this specific area only. Or this is the cause of success of professional trader, because they have the knowledge of a limited area, but they are the surgeon, they are the specialist of this area. So we should go in the depth of specific area, then only we can get the success. So discipline and learning is very important in any field. So we should follow the discipline, and we should try to get the knowledge, try to get the deep knowledge of our specific area. The basic tool to get the success is avoid fear and greed, and follow discipline at any cost. Focus learning with earning, because earning is the byproduct of learning. If you learn, then earning is not an issue. You can earn as per your requirement. If you are having a capability, then you can earn. Then not an issue. Believe on yourself. If I can do, then you can also do. In the starting, I feel nervousness, but when I read the book of professional trader, then I find that if they can do, then why I cannot do? Then I understand, I get the knowledge about few indicator, few tools, and then I try to make my own strategy. And then I made my 16-day trading strategy, and I'm continue following this 18-day trading strategy on a disciplined way. So right now I'm doing fantastic in my life. I'm doing trading in spite of gambling. So this is the only cause of success in the stock market, that we should believe on ourselves. We should make our strategy and do the backtesting of the strategy, and follow the strategy at any cost on a disciplined way. Then only we can get the success in the stock market. So this is from my side. If you like this video, then you can press the like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video to your friend also. Or if you want to learn more, then you can join my webinar, which is happening every Saturday and Sunday. We will discuss on this webinar about the trading psychology, what the professional trader doing in the stock market, trade management, risk management, each and everything we will discuss on this webinar on a structured way. So this will be very useful for you and it will move you from novice trader to professional trader. So thank you guys. Thank you for your precious time. Best of luck for your trading career. Thank you.